Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe Telegram Premium on Android. It's a straightforward method that works on any Android phone. To start, open the Google Play Store on your device. Look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. From the menu that pops up, select Payments and Subscriptions and then click on the option called Subscriptions. Here, you'll find a list of all your active subscriptions. Locate Telegram Premium by scrolling through the list. It might take a moment if you have many subscriptions. Once you find it, tap on it to access its details. At the bottom of this page, you'll notice an option to cancel subscription. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear asking for a reason. You can either choose one of the listed options, such as Other, or enter a specific reason like, I found a better app. Once you've made your selection, tap Continue. The next page will inform you that your subscription will stay active until the end of your current billing cycle. If you're okay with this, confirm by tapping Cancel Subscription once more. After a brief moment, you'll receive a confirmation message and the status will update to reflect that the subscription has been successfully cancelled. And that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.